Are you ready for an adventure?
Can I push it?
I have to call my supervisor and ask. You want to park in the...
I want this in the picture with that. That's why I want to be able to push it. No? Nah? This is my emotional support motorcycle. It goes everywhere with me.
What these bitches want from me? Looking in the wrong places for love. I'm just trying to fuck you, baby. Trying to get my dick sucked on the love.
What's going on, all of y'all? Today, we're gonna take a little trip. I mean, we ain't on empty. Ooh, it's best to have a full tank of gas. Damn, baby, what the fuck? Whatever. Alright, you guys. So we just filled up. And now we are about to head to a few various statues in the San Diego area. I was curious the other night, man. I've always liked art, statues. So I googled a few places in San Diego, found a bunch that I never knew of, a couple that I have known that I just really never took the time to come visit or go visit. This is not the statue I was coming to look for, but I found this one. The other one's over there behind that building. So that's where we're gonna go real quick. Probably shouldn't be riding my bike video, but I'm going to. that booty hole. Yo. Oh, so the other side. Hey, are you guys gonna relax right here? Yeah. Do you mind if I get a picture real quick? Yeah. All right. I'll be fast. Huh? I know. Yeah. I'm on a statue adventure today. I'm trying to find a bunch of them in San Diego. Talking to me? I wasn't recording when I pulled up, but here's a robot. So I don't know what this one is called, but it's a giant robot on commercial in 22nd. Well, fuck you too then. Okay, where to next? On to the next one, baby. Where am I going? Down commercial? Oh damn, it is my turn today. Slug motherfucking bug. Shoes untied. Hey, can I push it in there? Can I push it?
Huh?
Can I push it?
Not for this one. I have to call my supervisor and ask.
If I can push it, because I want to get a picture with the statue with it.
Yeah, let me ask.
I won't ride it, but if I can push it, if not, then I'll leave. It's fine.
No, I don't think you're allowed to do this, but I can ask my supervisor quick.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, because not anything real.
All right. Hey, but that I'll shut up.
It's the first time I see the bike.
For real? This is my emotional support motorcycle. It goes everywhere with me.
Bruh.
Maybe not, so maybe.
Alright, no worries, no worries.
Can you walk your
Yeah, I'll walk it. So you know what that means, right? I'm gonna come back here at night after hours and I'm gonna get my motherfucking picture, bro. I'm gonna get my picture. Hey, where the weed at? There it is. What's up, dude? You got any pot?